To sign up for Brigit Advance, start by downloading the Brigit app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Next, you will need to link your bank account to the Brigit app. This is a required step to use the Brigit Advance service. You will need to provide your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Brigit uses advanced encryption to protect your banking information, so you can rest assured that your data is secure. After linking your bank account, you will need to set up your Brigit account by providing some additional information, such as your income and employment details. This information is used to determine your eligibility for a Brigit Advance. You will also need to agree to the terms and conditions of the service. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you can apply for a Brigit Advance. To do this, simply click on the Advance button in the app and follow the prompts. You will need to specify the amount you want to borrow and confirm your repayment terms. Brigit Advances are typically repaid on your next payday, and the repayment amount is automatically deducted from your bank account. It is essential to note that Brigit Advances are subject to certain eligibility criteria, including a minimum income requirement and a checking account that has been open for at least 60 days. You should also be aware that Brigit Advances may have fees associated with them, such as a small interest charge or a late payment fee. To get the most out of the Brigit Advance service, it is recommended that you carefully review the terms and conditions before applying for an advance. You should also make sure you understand the repayment terms and ensure that you have sufficient funds in your bank account to cover the repayment amount. By following these steps and best practices, you can use the Brigit Advance service to help manage your finances and cover unexpected expenses.